So, dito sa Pilipinas, guys, napakainit. Ngayon, guys, hapon na. Pero, ang init-init pa din. Parang tanghaling tapat. So, sa mga nang-i-English ko dyan, i-English ko na lang. It is so hot over here in the Philippines. It's already gonna be night, but it is still so hot. Like it is just like lunchtime. Like, it is so hot. So, try natin tong sweat trend. Wow. Wala. Kainit. It's so hot talaga. So, I just tried the sweat trend.